Excellent signage. However, we do have them and they're blowing through. Like this one. Road is closed. The barriers are up. They've got tape. Can't do much more to stop idiots. And another one just blows through. It's 1723 August 10th. Lots of barriers. The construction guys have done an excellent job. Lots of barriers so they can't pull through and into the hole or into the big cat. And the cat tonight is protecting the generator. And further up they do have tape along the barriers here all the way up to Hogan. So there's everything that they've done they could do. However, just idiots will ignore the signage. So, construction crew, excellent job. They have done their best to stop traffic.